Welcome back, everybody. Wait a minute, is that Brian and Dom trying to steal my car? Someone call the cops. I'll keep an eye on them. Please, call the cops. Oh, great, they're here already. Oh, thanks. Whoever called the cops, thank you very much. Oh, great. Here are the. Oh, beautiful. Now my car's safe. Anyways, I want to give some respect to the men and women of law enforcement, the traffic division, from the local traffic cop all the way to the highway patrol. This is my collection of 1/24 scale police cars. Now, a lot of these are two-door models, because for the highway patrol, they would only have to have a two-door car that went fast enough to catch the speeders and give them a ticket. So from the early days, 49 Ford Coupe. This is Motor Max. And they had a bunch of cars in different liveries. California Highway Patrol, Ottawa Police, Vancouver Police, Royal Canadian Mounted Police, that's where I live, Hamilton Police, Ohio State, Chicago. I would have liked to get that one because my favorite paint scheme for police cars is the black and white. Nothing looks cooler than a black and white police car. Now, in 56, did they use a Bel Air? Probably not, but Jetta Toys, as part of their Heat series, came out with the 56. They also did a 53, which is very cool. And of course, newer cars, well, like this Dodge Charger. This is the Dodge Magnum, which automobile manufacturers would actually create a police car to show to whatever police departments that were interested in buying a car to use as a police vehicle. Now, this is the Charger, which I never really cared for as a Charger. It's a four-door, and it really isn't that an attractive looking car. But as soon as you turn it into a police car, with the push bar, black and white paint, this is Jetta Toys, so, they're not highly detailed, but they get the job done, opening trunk. Overall, very nice. Love the stock steel wheels, little chrome hubcaps. So this is one of my favorite police cars for the newer versions. Of course, the new Charger looks even better as a cop car. Now, of course, the Highway Patrol, they would use Camaros, Mustangs. I have a box here that this car came in. And as you can see from the picture, it might not be so clear and whatnot, but you see there's a Mustang, Camaro. So they were definitely used on the Highway Patrol. Brian and Dom were from my Fast and Furious collection. You saw that in my Rat Rods Von Dutch videos. This one is really cool. Jetta Toys made a lot of 53 Chevys in different series. I showed you that earlier in Rat Rods as well. Yeah, so they got a lot of nice features in it. Anyways, this is Motor Max. Now on the package it didn't show this car. Let me get it for you. You know, I showed all the newer Crown Vics. And so if you want some information, there it is there. Now it's 2002, so it was a while ago. But I just thought this was a very cool car, because back in the 40s, 50s, Highway Patrol would have a car such as this. The Ford Flathead. Chevrolet and Chrysler. There were similar models to this car. Didn't have a V8 until 55. So of course this made the perfect Highway Patrol car. So this is quite plausible, you know, the local county sheriff, you know, a lot of times he would buy his own car and the county would pay him to use his own car. That's a total fantasy here. I don't know if they would ever use a stock Bel Air. And of course, Jetta Toys, well, they like the large diameter wheels, which is very cool. And then here there's a Camaro, 69 Camaro. Well, this is made as a drag car. So this would be to promote the police and all they do for the community. So you'd see this at car shows or maybe at the drag strip. And so this one's Motor Max. All the rest are Jetta Toys. Well, this is Maisto's version. And this is their promotional police vehicle, which is a drag car. Obviously, wouldn't be a real police car, although they made it back in 67. That would be pretty cool. 66, 67. So anyways, this one has opening features and lots of cool detail and stuff. And of course, a newer police car, definitely. This is actually Jetta Toys 2010 Camaro concept. Chevy Camaro. And of course, we have the newer vehicles. I just love these. I think they're so cool. So anyways, now Jetta Toys also makes a radio control car, and this one's a little dirty and needs to be cleaned up, but so of course you can make different sounds. And anyways, I love Jetta Toys. They make a lot of cool stuff. So anyways, hope you enjoy this video. And just another thing is, old police cars never die. they take on a new life. They may serve for a longer period of time after they're retired. You know, they may do some good for people, and they might have some not so good reputation. This is a Green Lights Blues Brothers 124 scale. It's pretty cool. I love it. Anyway, so that's my police car series. This is the 124 scale. I have cars in other scales, so be happy to show you those at a later date. Anyways, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.